DS diving here, April 1st at the Venetian. Fate's real, sorry. We got it cleaned up and looking good. We are having a very hard time on the water line on the port side. I got it the best I could. As you can see, there's almost no paint, and it did take a while, but the bigger concern that you might want to get it taken care of is that I'm bearing down very, very heavy where there's no paint to remove the algae, and it's not the best for it. But let's go take a look. DS diving. Thank you.